Hello friends, this is Dikshit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to move the text in a web page. Okay, let's get started. First open Notepad. Now we will enter basic HTML syntax. I have given the title as moving text. Now we will add a marquee tag in body tag. This is the tag which makes the text move in a web page. By default, the text moves from right to left in the text page. The text we want to move in the web page should be between marquee tag. Now we will save the file. Friends, don't forget to give an extension as HTML. Now we will open the file in browser. As you can see, the text is moving from right to left on the web page. We can add some attributes to our marquee tag like behavior, and the value for this tag is alternate. If we give this tag and this attribute and value, we'll be able to change the direction of the moving text by giving an attribute that is direction. We can give this attribute a value of any direction, right, like up, right, down, left, like that. I have saved the file. Now I'll refresh it. As you can see, it's moving from left to right, that is in right direction. This is the use of this attribute. Without this behavior attribute, this attribute will not work. Friends, if you didn't watch my previous episodes, I request you to please watch them. Now I've changed the direction to up. As you can see, the text is moving up and down. You might be thinking that can we put this entire text in the middle and make it move? Yes, we can, by using center tag. This center tag should be between marquee tag. If it is outside of it, it will not work. Okay friends, that's all for today. Meet you in the next episode. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, comment and share the video with your friends. This is Dikshit signing off.